Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about how can we convert our PDF file to PostScript file using there is a API available which is nothing but ToPS API. So we'll see how can we convert PDF to PostScript file. Now, what is PostScript file? PostScript file basically those are used for the printing purpose. It was invented long back. Now we have PDF etc, but still PostScript files are used. So we'll see how can we do that. So what I have done inside my forms and documents, I have uploaded a sample PDF file which is nothing but a sample text data with 2 pages. Okay, so we are going to generate a PostScript file, and if we see the code, this is nothing but a servlet, and in this servlet calling this method, and inside this method what we have is we are just taking the document which is nothing but the path to our sample PDF. So it's inside form document, and what we are doing, we are just using this API, and then sorry, not this one, ToPS API, yeah, this one. So we are using this API ToPS option, and then we are just converting, first we are converting it to PostScript, and then on local file system we are just saving it to, I'm just saving it to C drive temp folder. So let me make sure I don't have anything, so I'll just delete it first. Yeah, and this is a path based servlet just for the demo purpose. And so if I'll just start maybe debugger over this point, I will put a debugger over here, and let me just hit this servlet. So what I will do, I will just put localhost. Yeah, so the debugger is going to the file. Yeah, we are good. Let's go inside, and first we'll take the document. Let's go back, maybe I will put a debugger over here as well. Yeah, so I have taken the PDF file, and then let me put a debugger over here. Yeah, so it's converted, and I'm just saving it to with this name on the file system. Let's execute it, and if we come here, yeah, the file is generated now, and if we open it, it was taking the previous one, but let's refresh it. And if we try to search this text, what we had, a sample PDF file and a simple PDF file too. Yeah, so the PostScript has been generated successfully. I'll just put this code in the description of the video. Thank you so much for watching.